in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Shopify lazy loading. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over in here on your themes on your online store. Now you can see in here all your themes you have. So for me, I'll edit out the theme for Dawn right here that has lazy loading. So for me, you just need to click on this three dot and click on edit code right here. Now this will open a new tab and this is what it looks like. So what you can do is you can just head over in here and then search on your search bar the word image. Now from in there, just click on this image banner that click with, and then from in here, just use the Control F function on your Windows if you have that Windows device, and on Mac, just use the Command F. So just click on Control F and you should be able to see lazy loading. So for me, the lazy loading actually looks a lot like this right here. So for example, let's just use, and as you can see this right here, the loading is lazy. So what we can do is you can actually just select all of this, then just delete it, and then delete it again. Then after that, just save the progress and you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.